Hi, I'm Gillian Thom. I'm a lecturer at the college. My background, I started with a degree from Durham University in botany and geography. I then went on to teach geography at secondary school for about 9 years. I did a lot of volunteering work for the National Trust, the Yorkshire Wildlife Trust, then came to work at the college in 2006. I teach on a wide range of courses, principally countryside levels 2 and level 3. I also teach on various degree programmes, usually looking at wildlife conservation, sustainability. Got quite a lot of experience in biological surveying, plants, animals, and we use that a lot, so we take the students outside to go and survey anything from a wildlife reserve to moorlands. I think for our course it's our location. If you want to study farming and countryside and conservation, and we're on the edge of one national park, 2 areas of outstanding natural beauty. We have close links with the national park, some of our ex-students work there. We have links with the National Trust, we have links with local estates, also with the Yorkshire Dales Wildlife Trust, close links with them because they're actually on site just at the auction mart, agencies, wildlife reserves, gamekeepers, and so all of that's pretty unique. Countryside's very wide ranging, so we have students that might want to be a gamekeeper, they might want to work as a tree surgeon on a farm, or be like a national park ranger. And so what we try and do is give them all the skills that they're going to need to do that. So everything from practical skills like walling, how to operate a tractor safely, things like that, through to academic skills such as being able to write a report, fill in a survey, write up a scientific experiment. We also include what we call professional tickets. It's a bit like a driving licence, but for like a chainsaw or for a spraying course, and we offer that as well.